How to fix Taskbar not working on Windows 10 or 11. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From there, check if the right-click menu itself responds, since this helps confirm whether it's just the taskbar or your whole system that's frozen. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager directly. At this point, look for Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Following this, click on it to select it. From here, click Restart at the bottom right, since this reloads the taskbar along with your desktop icons. Give it a moment while it restarts. At this stage, check if the taskbar is responding normally now. Following this, if it's still frozen or unresponsive, open Task Manager again the same way. From here, click File, then click Run New Task. At this stage, type in explorer.exe. Following this, click OK to relaunch it manually. From here, if the issue continues after that, restart your computer completely instead. At this stage, click the Start button, or press the Windows key if that's responding. Following this, click Power, then click Restart. Once your computer boots back up, check whether the taskbar is working properly again. That's how you fix the taskbar not working on Windows. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.